What better reason to have a party than just to have a party? Yeah. So we're gonna make...
We're celebrating.
What are we celebrating?
Well, I still don't know yet.
Good morning, my goodness. So I've been waking up at 5:30 in the morning for about a year and a half. A year and a half ago, I said I'm doing one video a week no matter what. I had to figure out like a schedule that worked, and I knew that in the morning was when I was the most fresh, most ready to like take on the day, and was really when I did my best editing was in the morning. In the beginning, it was a struggle because I am definitely, like, if you know me, I am not a morning person at all. It takes me a while to sort of wake up in the morning, but then I got super addicted to it because it turned into this sort of just peaceful time that was like my time. So then, yeah, just recently I started doing the treadmill because I've been trying to do at least, no matter what, every single day doing a 15 to 30 minute workout or longer, but no matter what, doing some sort of workout. It's been slowly kind of growing my motivation for working out. So I decided to try doing the treadmill in the morning while I'm editing, and it is absolutely brilliant. You are working from home and it's gonna be a permanent setup for you. I mean, I highly, highly suggest, first off, just investing in the stand-up desk. That was the first thing that my husband did. He got a stand-up desk. He got this set up from IKEA. It's an amazing, looks so good. And then the next thing was getting the treadmill that goes underneath the desk. In the morning, I have like 6,000, 7,000 steps, sometimes more, just while editing videos. So it's brilliant. Okay, and this is the outfit for today, just super simple. Mott & Bow. This is actually a men's t-shirt. I think it's the Driggs. My Citizens of Humanity Charlotte jeans. My good old house slippers, you know. And I might add a belt. Okay, so there we go. Now I've added a belt. Now I think I'm gonna add a sweater because the air conditioning is keeping the house pretty chilly. Yeah. Okay, there we go. My Brooks Brother sweater from eBay. 100% cotton. Good old 100% cotton is a good type of sweater to have during the summer because just super nice and soft on the skin and super breathable. So Gus had an idea to have a party today, just for, you know, no reason. And you know, I'm on board with that. I think what better reason to have a party than just to have a party? Yeah. So we're gonna make.
We're celebrating.
What are we celebrating?
Well, I still don't know yet.
Okay, but I think that, I mean, we should always be celebrating, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I will.
So we're gonna make some cupcakes. Well, banana muffin bread cupcakes. Love banana bread. But yeah, I would like to say that I am somebody that likes to bake from scratch. I can cook from scratch. I cook from scratch pretty much every day, but when it comes to baking, I'm not as much of a baker. So I have definitely copped out and been purchasing the Simple Mills stuff.
And I love it
because it's just so
too.
good. Yeah, and you love it too. Because it's great, isn't it? And it's got super, super good ingredients. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ingredients. So I can get on board with that. But
Can I get in a camera too?
so that's what we're gonna make today. All right. I'm making a flax egg because we don't eat normal eggs. So easy, and I feel like it's 10 times better than normal eggs.
Pour it in my bowl. No, you don't have to hold it.
Okay.
You can just set it down over there.
Oh, are you talking about the camera?
Yeah.
Such accuracy.
Mommy, no, just put it down like you had it.
Okay.
Look at that good stuff.
Mm-hmm. Good.
It saves us from the day anytime.
Yeah.
They need to be up high so Daddy can't get them.
Okay. These are more decoration?
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
that one fell.
Great decoration. Ooh, looking good. Okay, so while Gus finishes decorating for our party, I'm gonna make lunch. Just something real simple. We are, well, I'm plant-based and Paul and Gus are vegan. I class myself as plant-based because I still have leather, so I'm technically not vegan. So for today's lunch, we're just having what I like to call a Mexican bowl.
No, Mommy, we can have some of those cupcakes.
Oh yeah, we'll definitely have cupcakes for the party, for sure. So I'm just using some random rice that I have left over. This is like the best rice ever. Banza is my new favorite go-to for pasta and for rice. It's actually made out of legumes, and it's like a rice pilaf. So using what I have left of that and what I have left of the white rice made from vegetables, and that's pretty tasty as well. So I'm just combining those two. Got some organic corn, and yeah, if you're wondering why I never show my kitchen, it's very outdated. It's like 90s renovation tile counters, and we were supposed to get it renovated this spring. That was our original plan, was to get it renovated this spring, but then just everything with COVID and going into self-isolation, just all of that, we decided to hold off till next year. But I do love my kitchen. I love just like the layout of it, and I love like how it's connected with like the living space, but not at the same time. Today's the last day for our grocery shopping planning. So we're down to the bare minimum. Normally I would add like avocado or tomatoes or something like that. But yeah, basically all we have is beans, corn, and rice. And it's looking like the rice is gonna be a bit scarce as well. So I think I'm gonna have to make these into burritos. Don't worry, we got Cholula though. Got Cholula. All right, here's the finished product. Got a couple not frosted for Gus because he's probably the only 3.5-year-old in the world that does not like frosting on his cupcake. Okay. Look at this lovely setup. So the party was a hit. It was a blast. Kids are definitely magical little creatures. I'm glad Gus got us kind of out of our norm. Yeah, so now Gus is all tuckered out and taking his nap. So I am taking advantage of some quiet time and getting some more editing done. I am actually also waiting for a very special package today. So, okay, so I think the package is here. I swear I don't get this many packages. It's genuinely a coincidence that every time I do a vlog, I seem to be receiving a package for a review video. So yeah, don't get the wrong idea. That was Tuesday. In a nutshell. My day was pretty fantastic. The thing I like about vlogging like a full day is I feel like it gives you a whole new perspective on your day, like on your day-to-day life. Because of that, it makes you really focus on the good things. And I think it also makes you get out of your comfort zone a little bit more, which is good. Little things that I think go unnoticed sometimes. And Gus, yesterday, he actually mentioned it to me yesterday that he wanted to have a party today. And so it was actually great that I got to capture that. That's like not the norm. No, we're not having parties, like just random parties here every day. Yeah, but you know what, there were some, you know, harder parts of the day. You know, you didn't see me cleaning up the kitchen 3 different times and unloading the dishwasher and cleaning the bathroom and, you know, all those like normal day-to-day sort of grinds. You didn't see Gus, you know, throwing a little fit about, you know, me taking away his balloon and those kind of things. I think that's fine. I think those type of things make you appreciate all the other little things. So anyways, yeah, it was a good day, good Tuesday. All right, I think that's it. I'm gonna go watch Big Bang Theory and do some grocery shopping online. So have a good rest of your day. Enjoy the good things.